Mortgage rates are at 6.06% today. Should you buy your dream home now or wait for a drop? Home prices are up 4% year over year, but forecasts suggest relief ahead. Let's decide smart in the next 5 minutes. Hey, I'm your USA Homebuyer Guide. The decision to buy now or wait is critical, and we're here to break down the current market realities. As of March 9, 2026, the 30-year fixed mortgage average is 6.06%, according to Freddie Mac. Home prices are up 4% year over year, fueling affordability concerns. However, some market forecasts are predicting slight relief soon. Let's dive into the core issue facing homebuyers right now, the affordability crisis. Today, the 30-year fixed rate averages 6.06%, while the 15-year fixed is between 5.28% and 5.53%. Due to these rates, a $400,000 home payment now hits about $2,400 per month, raising the critical question: should you buy now or risk facing even higher prices later? Let's break down the exact mortgage rates you need to know as of March 9, 2026, and use this math for your decision. The 30-year fixed rate is 6.06%, up 0.10% weekly. For a 15-year fixed, you're looking at 5.28% to 5.53%. Jumbo loans are higher at 6.52%, and refinancing is currently at 6.66%. The current stable Fed policy means that rates are likely to remain around this range in the short term, giving you a clear picture of today's cost of borrowing. Now, let's look at why locking in a rate and buying your home today might be the smartest move. Today's 6% rate feels high, but compare it to the 7% plus rates we saw in early 2025. This 0.7% difference saves you about $245 a month on a $400,000 home. Inventory is still low, which means prices are consistently rising, typically 3 to 5% annually. Waiting means you pay more for the house itself. Don't forget FHA and VA options, which offer lower down payments and sometimes better rates around 5.8%. Builders are also offering incentives like rate buydowns, down to 5.5%. On the flip side, what are the strong arguments for waiting a few more months to buy? Fannie Mae forecasts rates could drop to 5.8% by Q2 and potentially 5.5% late in 2026, but this hinges on the Federal Reserve cutting rates, which has only a 50% chance by June. Waiting only pays off if rates drop by 0.75% or more in the next 12 months. Otherwise, the rising price of the home might negate any interest savings. Let's put the numbers together so you can calculate your best path forward right now. If you wait for a 0.5% rate drop, you save about $7,000 in total interest over 30 years. But a modest 4% price hike on a $400,000 home costs you $16,000 extra. Price appreciation is a major cost to consider. Our rule of thumb: if you have a credit score of 720 or higher and a stable job, you should consider buying now. Wait only if you are aggressively saving for a larger down payment. To wrap up, let's make sure you avoid these common missteps that can cost you thousands in the home buying process. Don't chase rate drops blindly. This can make you miss great opportunities. Also, make sure you get pre-approved, as this locks in your rate for 60 days, giving you certainty.